Hello, I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Verbac. So far this year, cattle continue to perform well from a quality grade perspective, being mostly even with last year to slightly better in some cases. Year to date, an average of 9.4% of the weekly federally inspected slaughter is grading prime relative to 9.5% this time last year. The year-to-date average percent of weekly slaughter cattle grading choice is 73.8% compared to 73.6% in 2022. However, from a piece count standpoint, the 410,000 head decline in fed slaughter so far this year is certainly starting to show up through mostly all quality grades. The number of prime and choice grading carcasses on a weekly basis have been running below 2022 for the better part of the year so far. In total, there are 320,000 fewer prime and choice grading carcasses than there were at this same point last year. Of the 320,000 head year-to-date deficit, prime grading carcasses are down around 56,000, while choice grading carcasses are 264,000 head behind last year at this time. The Choice Select spread has been tracking a highly seasonal pattern so far in 2023. The spread has started to turn lower after reaching a high on a weekly basis around $32 a hundredweight in late June. While the spread is expected to continue to narrow through the late summer and early fall, the tighter supply of higher grading beef should keep the spread supported at higher levels than what would be historically normal. Turning to this week's markets, at the time of recording, no significant cash trade had been established in the north or south. The live cattle futures complex is slated to finish higher on the week, with the August contract trading near 179 and October around 182. Feeder cattle will also look to finish the week in positive territory, with the August feeders gaining over $1 per hundredweight, while September has put on over 50 cents. It has been a strong week for the feeder cattle index, as it has jumped up over $8 per hundredweight as of Thursday. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.